Do you hate having weeds in your driveway? Hate pulling them? Hate using chemicals? Well, I've found a fun, environmentally friendly way to do it, and it's fast, and it's coming up next. Hey friends, Ryan Reynolds here with Keller Williams Consultants Realty with this month's quick tip. So today we're talking about killing weeds in the driveway, and if you're like me, you probably don't like to use chemicals, you don't really like to pull things out by hand, and so this seemed like a really great idea, and I thought I'd give it a try. So basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the torch and we're going to light it up. This particular one's got a nice piezoelectric lighter, and it can flame it up, and then when you turn it up and hit the button, it really gives you that satisfying sort of jet engine feel. Anyway, we're going to take that jet engine and we're going to just basically go down on the gravel or the different areas, and we're going to torch them off. So I'll kind of show you some before and after, and we'll go from there. So basically what you do is you just get right up close to these guys, and you only really need to give it a hit for 1 or 2 seconds. Now, if you're really feeling mad about that weed, you can torch the crap out of it and just make it actually disappear. But you don't really need to do that. All you need to do is just have it there for a couple of seconds to just kind of boil the water out of the stems, and then that kills the weed, and it probably won't come back from what I understand. Now, that could be wrong. I'm not making any guarantees, but if it does come back, the good news is you have your torch that you can take care of it again. So there you have it, a fun, fast, easy way to get rid of weeds in your driveway. And the best part is when you're done, you can actually have a snack. All good.